how to fix notifications that aren't showing on iPhone. First, open the Settings app and tap Notifications. Select the app that's having the problem and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Next, check that lock screen, notification center, and banners are all enabled. If these options are turned off, your notifications won't appear in those locations. Now, go back to the main settings menu and tap Focus. If Do Not Disturb or another focus mode is enabled, turn it off or check that the app isn't being silenced. After that, open Settings, tap Sounds, and make sure your notification volume is turned up and silent mode isn't enabled if you want notification sounds. Finally, if the problem only affects one app, open the App Store and make sure that app is updated to the latest version. That's it. Your iPhone notifications should now be working properly. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS troubleshooting,